What is the sum of the acute angles of a star in degrees? To answer this question, first we need a bit of background information. Let's take a look at that. Let's draw a triangle. Then let's extend the base of this triangle a little bit like this. If I call the angle here x, the angle here y, and then draw a parallel line from here, like this. Here, because of corresponding angles, this part is also x, this part is y, and due to alternate interior angles, this part is also y. Therefore, in a triangle, the sum of two interior angles is equal to the exterior angle that is not adjacent to them. Using this information, now we'll find out the sum of the acute angles of this star. Now, let's name the acute angles here. Let's call this 1. Let's call this 2. Let's call this 3. Let's call this 4. And let's call this 5. Now, let's continue solving our question by using the initial information here. Look, I drew a triangle here. Now, the sum of two interior angles of this triangle will be equal to one of the exterior angles here. So the sum of 2 and 5. Then, the angle here will be equal to the sum of 2 and 5. Next, let's also draw the triangle over here. In this triangle as well, the sum of these two interior angles will be equal to the exterior angle here that is not adjacent to them. So this part will be 1 plus, it will be 4. Now at this point, from this point, I draw a line parallel to the line segment over there. And I extend the base of the triangle here. The angle here is 2 plus 5, and by corresponding angles, this part will also be 2 plus 5. Here, by alternate interior angles, 1 plus 4 will also be here. Now if you look at the angle here, you'll see that it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So that's the sum of the interior angles of our star here. Since this is also 180 degrees, we can say that the sum of the acute angles of a star is 180 degrees.